You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to block all calls from a specific area code on your iPhone. The iPhone does not have a built-in feature to block an entire area code directly. However, you can use a workaround with the Silence Unknown Callers feature. Go to Settings, then Phone, scroll down and turn on Silence Unknown Callers. This sends calls from numbers not in your contacts, iCloud contacts, or recent outgoing calls directly to voicemail. It will affect any number from that area code that isn't saved. For more targeted blocking, you can use a third-party app like Hia or Robokiller from the App Store. These apps often have area code blocking features. Alternatively, your cellular carrier may offer call blocking services. Contact them to see if they can block a specific area code. As a manual last resort, you can add individual numbers from that area code to your block list one by one in the phone app's recent calls list. But this is not practical for an entire area code. For more simple iPhone call management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.